Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add a WhatsApp chat to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen we have as you can see, posts, new post, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add WhatsApp chat to Blogger. So adding a WhatsApp chat button to your Blogger website can help contact with your visitors more easily. So first of all, choose the blog where you want to put it in and go and click on themes here. Then click on customize. And you will need to go and put in this code to the HTML, edit HTML, then go there and click this code, just a second. Put in this code when you go and customize your HTML. Then you need to, of course, go and go to the theme, stay in the customize section and add a CSS and put in this. And then just save it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.